Hi guys, so today I'm gonna have an experiment. I always wanted to print my own images for the t-shirts for the dolls, but I decided to try first the one which is commercially already printed for you, and I ordered quite a few of them from Aliexpress. I'm sure you can find them on eBay. Obviously, when they sell them, they sell by these sheets. So, and the size of the sheet, they give the size of the sheet, they don't give the size of the image. So it was quite difficult to judge really, but I've got a variety of them. And I thought, well, at least one or two of them gonna be okay. As you can see, some of them really quite nice ones. So, experimenting. So I made 3 t-shirts. They all MSD size. Obviously different, slightly different material I used. This is quite thin jersey fabric, the old jersey. So I actually never used these transfers before, and what I received is that very badly translated Chinese into English. I only can judge by the imagery because it doesn't make any sense when I read it. So you just basically need an iron, dry iron without the steam, the image and the fabric, and obviously something soft to press it onto. I don't think I need any cover, because I believe what's gonna happen when I apply this onto the fabric and press the iron on top of it, it says you have to hold for 8 to 10 seconds and then quickly remove the film. So I don't think I need to use anything on top of this image. But I'm a bit concerned because this is a plastic and it's definitely gonna stick to it. I'll just go ahead, and if I damage the fabric or the iron or either of them, well, so be it. That's the experiment. So now I will start with this one, I think, first, and I'll try to find the suitable image. So this is a sheet of definitely too big, though I like it. I'll probably use it for SD size t-shirts because it's got red in here, so I'll put the pink ones aside and I will concentrate on the red ones. So the red ones, strawberry, or maybe wow, or hello, or maybe umbrella, or maybe just a star. I think the star looks quite good. What about the bow? No, it's too childish. And the sneaker. Unfortunately, the unicorn is too big. That's really unfortunate, but I think I will do the star. So I guess what I need to do is just cut the image I want out of this sheet. I'll put this aside. Right, that's my pad, or just a lot of layers of gauze. I need to use the iron without the steam on the temperature 130 to 150 degrees, which is, I've got really primitive iron in here. I use it for my doll clothes, that's why it's small, and it has got no temperature unfortunately on it. Google told me that apparently the setting on the wool is what I need for 130, between 130 degrees and 150. That's what kind of I thought. So it's going to be on between 1 and 2 basically. Synthetic and silk and wool. So that's the setting I need. Number 2. So if you got an iron. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna link all these stickers. They're really cheap and they're so bright. But I would hold on to my feedback just now. So I put my iron on now, and here is my, oh dear, so here you go, the light is still on. And by the way, while I'm waiting, I'm probably gonna iron the shirt. And by the way, for people who are making doll clothes, I'm sure you're probably aware now that the accuracy of your finished piece depends how well you iron the fabric before and after. I learned this trick, well, nothing to learn really, but it definitely works when you use the iron. That's why I bought the small one to use on my dolly's clothes. I've got even a smaller one, but it's really for small parts. Okay, let me just try the sticker first. Okay, yeah, it's fine, it's not gonna stick. Okay, a bit of a close-up here. Is it center enough? Or down here more? Oh. Yeah, I guess a bit more down here. Okay. Ready? It doesn't say what I have to... okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nothing happened. Let's do it again. Let's maybe press it in. Oh yeah, okay, I need a bit more. That's fine, it actually comes off. Oh no, it's not. I think it's need maybe a bit of a higher temperature, to be honest, because it's definitely... Okay, so it does work. I think it's a bit uneven, but... Okay, so what happened here, the end here didn't come off properly, and you can see it's slightly uneven edge in here, just a little bit. Look, it doesn't come off at all. And it feels like it's velvety, really smooth velvet. Here you go, that's number one. I think it's a bit uneven, I think, in the sense of me not putting it in the center properly, but let's see how it's gonna look on the doll. Okay, so what I learned so far, the small details, you need to iron them backwards and forwards basically, and not just pressing it and waiting for it to glue to the fabric. It's actually, you need to use force to make sure they unpeel from them. And also what I noticed is you have to be quite prompt, so once you iron the place and make sure it's all okay, peel off straight away while it's still hot rather than waiting for it. Okay, so I can see this paw doesn't want to come off. So the bigger obviously the transfer, the more painful I would say it's gonna be. There you go. Look at that. Let me just take this. Let's see what the doll looks like wearing this. The transfers are definitely worth it, and as I said, I'll link everything below. The transfers are really affordable, and I think they look great on the t-shirts, and also I will probably put some on the skirt and then the jeans. I'm gonna end up using these big ones for myself. I've got plenty of plain t-shirts and I'm gonna stick them on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was entertaining, and see you later. Bye bye.